Hey friend, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Ari. We got some favorites today. I wanted to talk about for the month of April. I know we're just into April, girl. Some of these are actually new, but I've got rave reviews on them. So if they really work out, I'm gonna let you know they're really gonna be my faves, okay? But let me just talk about some of the ones that I truly have been enjoying. Okay, now this one, y'all, every time I say a word that I'm not sure about, y'all get me, and I appreciate y'all for getting me, okay? But I don't even know if I want to say this, but these lip oils actually come from Dollar Tree. And I'm afraid to pronounce the word, but this is what it is. It's IONI. Now, one of my subbies, I think she said it's IONI, IONI. I said it was Tony because I thought that was a T. Girl, it's IONI. But these are the ones, girl, I love these tinted lip oils. They have been a favorite of mine. I love all of the colors. Y'all can see I have really been using them. I love these for the price. I even have some of the ones from Ulta. I don't remember the name. The expensive $45, $50 ones, lip oils. Dior. I think that's it. Dior. I have those too. This worked just as good. Why spend all that money, girl, for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree? Go grab you some. Now, next up, if you've been following me for a while, I bought my first order of the fabric care. This is the fabric care detergent. This is a liquid as well as the fragrance boosters from Bath and Body Works because they had a sale, okay? So I have been using these and I'm here to tell you all about it. Friend, these last so long. The scent is amazing. Now I did a combo. Okay, this lady told me that this is all that her daughter uses. So the fabric care detergent is in cozy cashmere. Fragrance booster is in amber blush. So I put these two together, and I have one more thing that I use, but it smells so good. My laundry smells amazing. I really love doing my sheets and towels in these. Oh, friend, I mean, when I tell you it lasts for days and days and days. I love the way my laundry smells. I love my towels. I even do my clothes in this. I don't always, somebody out there? I don't always do my clothes in these, but I love doing my laundry and my towels. And this combination is fire. Friend, so good. Now, the other thing that I do use with my laundry that I'm loving is this Downy, and this is rinse and it's active. I love this because it's so fresh. It's so fresh and clean. Oh, I love it, friend. It's just clean. It doesn't take but a little bit of this. I just use a little bit of this as the rinsing agent or fabric softener. And I use these. And girl, my laundry smells amazing. I will be purchasing these when it goes on sale. Okay, it's a little bit pricey, friend, but you're supposed to only use just a little bit. I've done like 4 or 5 loads and I still feel like the bottle is very heavy. But I think, how many loads is in here? If it was 60 something. Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. You're supposed to be able to do a lot of laundry in this. But so far, I am loving these, and I've been using them for the month of April. Now, I know there are people from all around the world, and if you are new here, you may not know, but you should know by my accent and the word y'all that I'm a true Southerner, okay? So some of my words may be different to you. I get that. But yeah, today we're just going to be chatting it up. This is very informal, girl. We just got some girl chat going on over here. But I wanted to talk about this body mist and lotion that I got from Victoria's Secret that I'm really liking, and that's Pink Apple. I was kind of shocked that I really like this. I have been loving this, friend. I really enjoy it. To me, okay, so y'all know there are all different kind of apples. Have you ever smelled and tasted a pink lady apple? That's my favorite type of apple. I know they got red delicious. They got They got all kind of apples, friend, but this pink apple, it smells like Pink Lady. The Pink Lady apple is my favorite apple, and I have fallen in love with this. I haven't really used that much of it. It seems like I haven't, but I have. I've been spraying it. It was really full to the top. And this lotion, I am loving this. I love wearing this to bed, around the house. It's just a fresh, pretty, crispy, sweet scent that I'm really liking, and I know I'm going to adore in the summer especially. So yeah, I'm really fond of this. This is Pink Apple by Victoria's Secret. Yeah, pink. Friend, my favorites are all over the place, but I have natural hair and I have trouble with my edges laying down, especially in the summer. Girl, when I get to sweating or whatever, they revert back, but I don't think it's going to happen with this. I have bought a whole, I think it was 3 of these came together, and this is the Gorilla Snot Gel, and this is in the blue one. Girl, I have been loving this. When I say my edges lay and stay, this right here. Now, I really use this edge control usually, but I notice in the winter, the edge control turns white over time, and then it seems like it's white in my hair, and girl, we can't have that. And any other type of gels that I've used, I really wasn't fond of, but I really like this one. This is like a heavy duty, your hair ain't moving type of gel. So if you're having trouble with your edges, girl, and you're natural like me, try this. And yeah, this is gonna be my girl for the summer especially. So girl, I'm really trying to focus on my skin. I have some hyperpigmentation that I really got to get fixed. I got hyperpigmentation like around my mouth. You can't really probably see it now because I have on some concealer. A little concealer and a little powder. That goes a long way. But when summer comes up, you just want your skin just to glow without anything, you know? I don't really want to wear makeup. So it's time for me to get this together. But I have been enjoying my Tula, and this is 24/7 moisture. It has probiotics as well as superfoods in here. I really like this, okay? I have bought the whole Tula brand, I believe it was last year. I used it up. I liked it, but I like this 24/7 moisture even better because I have been using some products that have dried my skin out a bit, and I've noticed that this is really good, okay? And I'm looking forward to it in the summer. If I can just get this hyperpigmentation under control, friend, I'm going to be good, okay? So I'm working on it. If you have any suggestions for something for hyperpigmentation, drop it down in the comments below, friend. It's we all trying to get ready for summer. We want the smooth skin, and you know, if you're pigmented like me, sometimes you just get extra pigments in areas, and I don't know where it comes from. I don't like it, but yeah, we're trying to get rid of that. So speaking of summer coming up, I have really gotten used to these African towels. Love these. If they're a little bit rough to you, you can just soak them in warm water and before you use them. But they're exfoliating. They're just clean. You can wash them. And I got them on Amazon. I got like several colors. I got 3 colors, I believe. And they were pretty inexpensive. So I really have been enjoying these. And speaking of summer, so in the summer, I love a good bacterial soap for the first wash. After that, I can layer on a scent, but I want that bacterial gone. And this one is Lime Fresh. Now, it's kind of giving pine style a little bit. I ain't gonna lie, girl. I'm clean with this one, okay? I'm clean when I come out of the shower with this one. But you don't need but a little bit. And you just want to basically just clean that bacteria off your skin. Now, once you got that done, then you can go in your moisturize, and you can just do all kind of things, you know, add another layer of a scent or whatever that you want, that you choose to for the day. So this is going to be my new antibacterial body wash for the summer. So girl, this just came in the mail and it's already my favorite, okay? And this is from Amazon. These are those stackable, girl, these are the stackable bracelets. Have y'all seen everybody wear them? They come all the way up your wrist. Oh, girl, the quality is amazing. I don't think it was like, I got them on sale for like 16 bucks. I haven't even worn them yet, girl. But I did take them out the package and looked at them. I cannot wait to wear these. I love costume jewelry, girl. And for the price, Amazon has some nice little jewelry. So, yeah, when I saw this, I'm like, I'm going to snag it up. It's already one of my favorites. I really do want to try to incorporate a bag that I've been enjoying too. Now, this one is my Michael Kors. Um, I don't even know the name of the bag, girl. That's why I don't do this. I'm always rushing. I don't have the time to look up the name of the bag. It's a bucket bag. I will tell you that. And I love this bag though. But you see how it's kind of separates into two compartments. And I just like, it's really more of a fall kind of vibe type of a bag, but it's a crossbody too. I love wearing it as a crossbody, and I can store a lot, and it's just cute and stylish. I really like wearing this with like this nude color right here, and I wear it with jeans. I love it. I think it's so cute. And this is one of my favorite little bags that I've been enjoying recently. So I got me some new eye patches, and these are from Patchology, and these are good, friend. And did you know that the best time to repair your skin, or especially around your eyes, is between 10 p.m. and 12 a.m.? So that's when these patches work. If I just put them on, go to sleep with them, and when I wake up in the morning, I even have an eye patch that I kind of sleep with to cover my eyes too. So I really enjoy these patches, and I noticed a big change. So I'm going to keep using them, and I'll let you know. Okay, friends, so this next thing is one product that I'm going to really have to let you know about. It's new for me. I've been trying it. I don't know if you guys heard about it, but it's called Be Tight. So, I am on a medication that has caused me to lose weight, okay? And this medication causes people to kind of lose weight in the backside. So women are saying this really works. And I have lost weight, and I'm trying to make sure that I'm kind of staying toned. You know what I'm saying? Where I need to stay toned at, girl. So this is new to me. So I am trying this. I wanted to let y'all in on this, and just on what's going on. I don't know if y'all even noticed or not, but I've lost about 30 pounds. And that's been, I guess, in about 4 months. About 4 months. But I sit down so y'all really can't see me. You can't really even tell. And I'm a type of person, my weight is very evenly distributed. Most people probably wouldn't even know that I was as big as I was. Because I never like get a huge stomach or a big this or a big that. I just gain all over, and when I lose, I just shrink. That's the type of person that I am. That's how my body does. So I don't know, a lot of people may not even notice, but I am noticing in some areas I need this. So I'm trying her out. I will let you know how it goes. Yeah, I'm continuously, putting this on what I'm supposed to. So girl, I'll keep you posted if you're interested. Now, the last two things I want to talk about are perfumes. They're not new, but I've just been loving these recently. I really have. And this is Missy by Rosie Jane. I'm definitely getting the bigger bottle of this. This is the sweetest, prettiest coconut, floral, fruity fragrance I've ever smelled. I mean, it's giving, I would say, it's nothing like, they're nothing alike, but the art to me of her confessions and Missy by Rosie Jane, they give me that same vibe. They give me the vibe of just like you're in Princess Land, Wonderland. You're not even in the real world. That's what these two give to me. And I love them. I love this size bottle, but girl, I got to get a bigger one of my Missy. I love this scent. It is so pretty. And second, I've got to give it to Billie Eilish too. Yeah, I love this fragrance. Oh, it's so engulfing. And I have to say, they say it can be unisex. It smells feminine to me, but I can get how women would say it could be unisex. It's unique because it has papyrus. I love unique. Anything unique, girl, it's just up my alley. Anything different, unusual to my nose, girl, That's my vibe. And yep, we're going to give it to Billie Eilish #2. So, girl, that's going to be it for my favorites for the month of April. I'm kind of getting to where I love these videos and I'm looking forward to them because whatever I'm like loving at the time, that's what I'm just showing you guys. What I'm loving at the moment. And you know, if I turns out why I don't love it, I'll make a video about it and tell you. But right now, I'm loving all of these things. What are some of your favorites? What are favorites that you've been enjoying right now? No matter what it is, girl, drop it down in the comments. We all like to know. We might want to try it out, friend. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.